And for the longest time, Apple was preventing you from using this next item. So this is a double-ended USB key. And the one end on the smart end here with the lightning connector goes into your phone. The other end with the USB 3 connector goes into your PC. Now, you can use it as a charging cable in a pinch. That was something I didn't expect. I've got the 128 gig version myself right here, and that has been awesome. I'm going to show you guys how this works with an iPhone, and I'm literally going to insert this dongle into where the power connector goes. Now, you can't be powered while it's inserted. I just want to show you what happens. But if I go into here, I can go to backup. I can say phone backup, and I can start a backup right there. By just hitting that, it's going to back up all of the photos from the photo app. There we go. So 0 files were in this photo app. I do have some ones that I can show you that are just wicked cool about this. So we can go to file management. This works both directions. So I had these pictures taken. Yes, that's me and my son Maverick, and we were practicing our YouTuber guppy face there. So that was pretty cool. And let me pull out so you don't have to pay to iCloud, you don't have to pay to OneDrive, you don't have to pay to Google, you don't have to pay to anybody else. This one is 128 gigs. I saw the thing in the chat, Andrew. So yeah, 128 gigs on this one, and it works for iOS devices. So some of you guys are like, what about my whatever, Mac that only has Thunderbolts? I've got one of those. Macs that got, if you're on an Android device, don't think I left you out. So browsing, super easy on this. You've got phone or Duo Link at the bottom. You can go into the last backup I took. You can see the dates of the backup. You can see the pictures I took. And from my other iPhone, we've got screenshots here. And this was the Wise light strip that I showed you a couple weeks ago. And then obviously my contacts backup and some other stuff is there. So unplug this. That's gone. I'm going to go back out, and it's just warning me to, to make sure that I have the app or the device installed for it to work. But I'm going to switch gears, and I'm going to take it over to my PC here because I want to show you how that works. As soon as I plugged it in, you can see the pop-up here. So those images that I was just looking at, if I open them here, at the Duo Link from PNY, this is a 128 gig backup solution. No bandwidth required, no data plan, no nothing. You can use it on multiple devices too. That's another thing I should point out. If you have multiple devices, it totally puts in, don't totally screenshot that, it totally puts them in different folders. So you can use this with multiple devices up to that. So all in all, this one works. The performance of it, I actually tested a little bit earlier. This one is not going to be as performant as the first product, the Samsung that we looked at, and that's just common. This thing's doing a lot more. It's USB 3 as well. The read and write speeds are not as fast, but this thing's doing double duty. And literally, like I told you, you can take this little short cable that we've got going here, and I can plug the iPhone in right now, and it will charge from the computer or whatever USB you've got, which is really wicked cool. So other places, and I'm going to run us over to Amazon again and look at this. So again, $45.99 for this product, which is a great deal. Backup device for both your computer and your cell phone, and lets you charge your cell phone. That's what they're showing here, is you can literally charge it as like a charging cable. So if you just put this in your bag, your pocket, this would be the sweetest gift. So we were just looking at the PNY 128 gig. It's about $45.99. Really, really cool product. Highly recommend that if you have iPhone users in the family. I'm going to show you guys on the carousel.